Tuesdays. So I take Tuesdays to just go in the street and just give back. So like Tuesdays, I used to pay my tithes.
Okay. Romario, thank you. Thank you guys. I'm loving it.
Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, apologies for the mask. Had a little medical emergency yesterday, but all is well. Just something minor. We don't have to wear the mask for the time being. How are you doing today? Well, anyways, I'm on my way to Hero Circle to see if I can locate members of the Cycle Squad Maniacs. That's this group of youngsters that are from the Kingston 2 area, communities such as Almantown and other surrounding communities, and they practice stunts on bicycles all over the corporate area, including Portmore. So hopefully today I get lucky and I'll get to see some of the members going through their stunts and training. So let's come along with me for another journey in and around the downtown area.
My name is Dwayne McCallum, otherwise known as Romario on social media, YouTube, TikTok. Yeah. But what really inspired me to do this, from I leave school, I always want to serve my country. So I try for JDF, I didn't get any call. So I try for JCF, the same thing. The application is still there, I think. So I'm still not getting a call. I'm saying, alright, this is the last try. I'm going to try for the correctional service. I'm going to try and them say me have on a tattoo, so we can continue. Yes, so nobody get through. So I always want to serve my country and things. So I say, alright, then this is go on the street, giving back to the homeless and kids in high school and things. So this is serving my country now.
How did you your first time you went out to cut whatever? How did you become a barber? How did you learn to cut hair?
One day my auntie, Sophia Walters, yeah, one day she gave me a little liner. Then I never know, say I just line it for line. So I get it and take my cousin Akeem and say, you know, I give her trim, come in. When I say that trim, I realize that I peel out him head. So from that I say, no, I'm not sorry for that. So from that I get a next year and thing. My cousin in the back country give me a share, and from there I start. So like 2011, thereabout. Yeah. So from there I kind of trim and then I go art. I got ATBS in 2018 to get certified and things. So from there, continue.
Okay. So when was it that you started? You actually started the first time you went on the road and decided that you're going to give somebody a free haircut. You remember when that was?
Yeah man, sure. That was 2019 when I was going to college, because I was going extra come to college. I was doing social work. So my friend, she's a soldier. She was a soldier. So she was teaching at Greenwich Primary. So they was having a boys' day, yeah, boys' day, something like that. So she invited me to come there and to give some free haircut. So I went there and do it, and they were even asking for me to come back again. So that was like the first time, 2019.
So apart from going around and cutting hair for free, because obviously that doesn't make any money, what do you do to take care of yourself?
Yeah, I have a barber shop in Langwood Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you actually are a professional barber?
Yeah, I'm a professional barber.
Okay.
Certified and everything.
Okay. So you decide to just find the time to go out, because you have to close your business to do that, right?
Yeah.
So that's a huge sacrifice.
Yeah, yeah.
How many days a week you know you close your barber shop in Longville Park to come out the road and offer free cuts all over the country?
Only on Tuesdays. So I take Tuesdays to just go in the street and just give back. So like Tuesdays I used to pay my tithes.
Okay.
Yeah,
so basically what's your message now to persons in any community across Jamaica on a Tuesday? What should they do? Should they be looking out for you on a Tuesday?
Yes, of course. Because next week Tuesday I'll be going to St. Elizabeth. Yeah, sure going to St. Elizabeth.
So you're going down there to help the people that have suffered from Hurricane Beryl?
Yeah, sure. By giving back some haircut and any other essential stuff I can offer. Sure.
Okay. Anything else that you want to say to Jamaica?
Yes, just show love, more love, and big up my mama, big up my brothers, my team. Yeah, just more love, showing love, that's it.
So viewers, basically I came here for one reason. That was to get the young riders, and ended up running into young Dwayne McCallum. And as you have seen, he's there assisting persons, basically homeless individuals, and anyone who needs a haircut, male or female, he doesn't discriminate. And he's showing each and all of us how we can assist our brothers and sisters. And this was really kind of the young man who basically leaves his business every Tuesday to go around Jamaica and give free haircuts. As he said earlier, he's going to St. Elizabeth next to assist those affected by Beryl, and I wish him all the best. You know, and God's richest blessings and protection for the young man who has gone out and he believes in giving back. And each and every one of us, if we should basically follow in his footsteps, Jamaica will be a great place. Remember, let us be our brother's keeper. See you next time.